Hi guys! Hi guys, what's up? Welcome. And so today we're going to watch The Wicked for Good Season 2.
Season 2 Part 2?
Part 2, I mean. Last year, me and Divine and Kashmir watched the Part 1. And now, we're together with Isabel. Actually, parang kami lang din tatlo, tapos nagdagdag lang yung jowa niya. Parang ganun.
Parang kami na tatlo, pero ayan.
Layla! Pang second na namin to. Oh my gosh. Tabi ka siya.
Oh, dyan lang daw.
May pagbaba pa yun.
Sorry po.
That was really.
How dare you?
Uy, alis ka dyan. Bakla ka, harap ka.
So we're on the same row, guys. My makeup is like so good, but Kash's makeup is like 10 times better.
Girl, you can't clock this.
There's the couple in there. We're so excited. Ano expectation mo sa Wicked? Wait muna. What's your expectation for Wicked 2?
This is me before The Wicked for Good 2.
This is me before The Wicked for Good 2.
This is me before Wicked 2. This is us before Wicked 2.
This is Kashmir before Wicked 2.
This is Roxanne before Wicked 2. This is us
before Wicked 2. For good kasi.
For good, okay.
I have been changed. Hindi niya alam yung lyrics.
Uy, mga chorus lang alam ko. Guys, tingnan niyo siya. Nakaiga siya. May charger sa dito. Minsan lang ako maging clingy sa'yo. Let me be clingy. Ang ganda ko talaga.
Hindi kasi hindi.
Sorry, Cash. Nagagad ka na.
Good idea.
She looks pretty. She looks pretty. Shit, ang sarap. I saw it. Shit, ang sarap din ang siyon. Shit. Ay! What the freak? Talaga yun.
May patingin ba?
Wait lang, parang hindi ako
Patingin.
sexy. Damit ko, di ako sexy. Sexy.
Cash, pahiram nga. Artista yun?
What?
Magaling kayo, hindi lang niliwag sa sapato.
Dapat may credit. Mag-arcade na lang para sabay na lang. Tingnan ang dry ng bangs ko. Oh, what the freak. Oh. She's pretty. That's my girlfriend. That's my girlfriend. That's my girlfriend. Roxy, tingin sa likod.
Huh?
We're now here at KFC, guys, because like super early namin for the movie. 11 pa yung screening and it's still 9. I mean almost 10 naman. We're gonna have snacks. This is Divine Design. Nauna sila ng snacks, guys. Nauna sila kumain ng snacks nila.
Hindi, nauna siya.
Since we're going to watch Wicked, konti lang yung mga tao ngayon since first ano pa din naman. Hi guys, so today is that we're gonna
Okay, ito.
gusto ko dito. Kasi like, ginaano niya talaga. Literal na pinakita niya.
Tsaka ayan. Sana manalo ka.
Sana manalo ka. May prize ba sila?
I pray na manalo ka.
Yes, please manalo ka. Picture mo sa video lang.
Sana manalo kayo. Kung sino man nang nandito, manalo kayo sana. I have plus 3 with me.
Hindi na pa alam ko yung masarap, bro. Ang sarap. Ayan, sige, sige, ganda.
Oy, ganito doon yung ano ko picture mo mga sa akin.
Wait lang kasi gosh. Again, dito naman ah.
Sige, no, take 2!
Hi guys, so today we're going to watch The Wicked for good. And last year we watched The Wicked Part 1 with Kashmir and Divine. This is my vlog, stop it.
Thank you.
So like,
I hate your vlog.
I'm dressed up as Teen Man, but then I feel I don't have my heart, I don't have my hat, I don't have my hammer. This is my heart. I'm so excited, yun! Super excited. This is way before watching The Wicked.
Girl, I'm more excited than you.
Tingnan mo si Isay. Ang dami ng
Isay!
O yung plano sa likod.
Okay, sa likod.
Shit. Masarap lang kayo.
Shit, wait. Nagaganto ka siya.
Okay sa akin, basta may pang food.
Okay na daw sila yun. Masaya na sila.
1, 2.
Maganda man yung mukha ko.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Ha? Wala.
Bakit nagmamadali tayo?
Hindi ko rin kami alam sa inyo. Uy, hindi ba tayo nagkamadali?
Kasi ang ganda ng picture namin.
Goodbye, girls. After The Wicked.
Parang picture king.
Ganda ko pa din. This is me after mabash kanina. This is same shit and the same shit. Nothing. Huh? Guys. Where are we going? Guys.
Babagay sa mga